Alhamdulillah, this morning we meet our new brothers from UK. Brother, let's hear your feeling about your first experience Umrah.
Again, it's one of those you can't explain into words, especially in the month of Ramadan. Like, we encourage the brothers to come to Ramadan the most. That's where the most rewards are, and you can't explain to somebody of how this feeling is. So it's undescribable. So inshallah, one day may you lot will get the chance to come and experience it for yourself, inshallah.
What make your first feeling want to come here? Well, what the point that the plot that make you decide to come?
First thing first, when I was born in the month of Ramadan. And the second thing is that I've been doing dua for 3 years for Allah just to call me Ramadan. So not any other month. I was just asking for Ramadan, constantly. And then out of the blue, Allah called me. Even when prices were so expensive, Allah made it cheap for me. So if you have the niyyah, the intention, Allah will make it easy for you.
MashaAllah, subhanallah. I'm very proud of you. It's your rezeki to come here during Ramadan.
Yeah, it was one of them. I wanted it the most. So subhanAllah, I ask Allah every day, Ramadan. And you know, price is so expensive. You get 4,000, 5,000, and out of the blue, Allah made it for 1,500, and that was out of the blue. 15 nights, alhamdulillah. So when Allah wants to really call you, really call you, He make things cheap as possible if He wants to.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah, I'm blessed. Alhamdulillah.
And I hope what our brothers share to us for this very first day of Ramadan in Mecca, it will motivate others to come for Umrah.
Especially in the month of Ramadan. That's where the extra reward is. If you want the reward of Hajj, then you have to come in the month of Ramadan. So yeah, brothers, reward of Hajj.
I forgot to ask your name, brother.
It's Hassan.
Hassan from UK. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, brother, for good sharing.
No worries.